There, thanks for joining me. I'm Amy Kunkel and I'm going to show you today how to do the wax paper resist technique. And I'm going to start off today by embossing a piece of wax paper. And this is just your standard run-of-the-mill grocery store kind of wax paper. Run it through your Big Shot with the textured embossing folder. And you can also do this with you could just score the paper, you could crumple it up, you could do a number of different things to get a pattern on your wax paper. So you see that right there. This out of the way. And then you're going to want a warm iron. You don't want any steam. I'm just going to use this and a scrap paper to put underneath. And you can use either side of the paper, play with it and maybe get different patterns. You're going to place this between, actually, so like this. There you go. And then you take your iron. And the longer you iron it, the more wax will transfer. And you really don't want it to move under there, so try not to let that underside piece be shifting around. And you won't really see much on here, so you're just going to have to play with it and trust that your pattern transfers. I'm going to use Early Espresso ink and Stampin' Up! Sprayer, which is actually one of the best sprayers that I have found. And take this and just roll it over. Now, based on how you inked it up, it might have a different variation of pattern, but you can just keep adding ink and make it as dark as you would like. And you can also just keep rolling it without ink to just spread that out nice and evenly. So here we go. You can see this chevron pattern and it really makes a nice effect. I'm gonna post a couple different cards I've done with this technique and hope you can try it sometime this week. Thanks for joining me again. Bye.